Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's time for a last minute Halloween nail set, and all you need to do this are some basic gel polishes. So in my case I used purple, white and black, and then some nail sticker water decal thingies, but step by step. So here I got my nail tips ready, and I'm going to use the pure black gel polish from Neonail, Milkshake, and a cheap purple gel polish I bought ages ago. I will make sure that I link similar gel polishes and products in my description box below. And then I'm applying the first layer of the purple here. Each layer that I apply on the nail tips I cure under my lamp for 60 seconds, and on all the nails I do 2 layers. So this is the first purple layer. Now I'm coming in with the black for the first black layer. And I have to say the black applied a bit translucent, although it does not show that much here in the video, but maybe I should have done a translucent black set as well. Well, too late. So this is last minute. Enjoy, guys. I think before the Halloween parties start on the weekend, you can just make it and get an order from Amazon Prime, and then you can recreate the look. Here I'm applying the first layer with the Milkshake gel polish from Neonail, and I have to say white is normally a struggle for me, but I love how this gel polish is self-leveling. See, no streaks, nothing. I look at my nail, pop that in the lamp. And then for the second layer on the white, I was coming in with Mrs. Always Right, because there's a slight glitter running through the milky white, and I thought that would be like a nice extra for the white nail in order to make it look a bit more interesting. So I'm applying that and cure again for 60 seconds. And all I'm doing now is I'm choosing from these water decal nail sticker thingies. I say it like that because they are laminated with this silicone layer. You can see a bit around the ghosts and the leaves. And it is a bit of a mix because I have to put them in water to make the silicone layer soft, and then I can get them off with my tweezers and apply them to the nail, but you will see in a moment. So I love the candy, I love the bats of course, and the ghosts. So this is what I'm going for, cutting everything out that I want to use. And then I get a little bowl with water ready to soak them in, and you will see. In the end, I got a feeling for this product. With any other pure water decals or just plain simple nail stickers, you will have a much easier time than I had with these silicone laminated things. Or maybe they are also just a bit old, and that's why it was a bit more difficult to work with them, but I made it work, and I show you in a moment. So I'm cutting everything out, and then I was just trying out what design to apply to which nail. So you can see here I'm taking my time. Of course this video is cut together, but I thought maybe I do like a candy nail tip on the purple one with some leaves, and then in the end I decided to go with this fall Halloween design on the white. Well, you just have to take your time, think a bit ahead when you begin, and then follow the picture in your mind. So here my stickers are soaking, and I'm showing you the nail. So this is a combination of the Milkshake polish and the Mrs. Always Right. Very nice fine glitter running through the nail. And I started with that one. So here I'm trying to pick up my first leaf, and it was a bit tricky to see where the silicone layer starts so that I could get the leaf off. So in a moment I'm going out of shot here because I had really to look very closely to get the leaf with my tweezers, but yeah, you can see I got it. Then I have to hold it down with the other finger and then press the leaf onto the gel polish carefully. And there we go with our first fall leaf on the nail. You could never paint it, or maybe you could, maybe I could. But if you're not good at nail painting yet, just take the stickers. No shame in that. I have to say I had to be a little bit more careful with my tweezers. Normally I'm not the most patient person, so as you can see, I'm going around the leaf with my tweezers and then carefully take it off the plastic. And still, sometimes here and there a corner was missing of the motif. But as I always say, guys, nobody is going to look at your nails as closely and as critically as yourself. So do not worry too much about it, okay? Third leaf. I'm trying to be as careful as I can, and I'm going out of shot. So here I nearly destroyed the leaf, but I show you in a moment. I made it work, and I just went in. Yeah, I had a bit of a corner missing and I added that on later, and it still worked out. Because we are talking about fall leaves here, and it doesn't matter so much if a little corner is broken off of the leaf. I think I ended up taking that off. Yeah, I just left it off. Now here with these autumn diamond shapes, I use them in the nail bed area, and of course I'm too impatient again, and that's why I didn't take all the corners of the diamonds off. You can see from the orange and the purple diamond, a little corner is left on the foil. And I was a bit angry with myself doing this nail, but in the end you will see I made it work. And that's the best tip I can give you. Just make it work. Nobody cares if a tiny corner is missing. I mean, you can hardly see it. Maybe I shouldn't have said anything, but I could see it, of course. And then in the end, I just had to come up with a creative solution, so you will see in a moment. Here I'm trying to add the corner. Didn't work out too good, so I just let it be. Interim result. And here for once I'm not out of shot, so you can see I was trying to get the smaller candy pieces off of the foil and add it to the nail. In the end I just managed to put the candy cane that you see here on the nail, and the rest I was cutting off with my nail scissors, but as I'm out of shot I cannot show you that. And here I'm coming in with the candy nail tip. That turned out okay. But a lot of times I'm out of shot with the stickers, guys. Sorry for that, because I had to bring them so close to my eyes to see what I was doing. I hope you forgive me. So for now I put this nail aside. A little bit is missing, but I wasn't sure where to proceed, so yeah, I switched to the black nail, and you can see I chose these bats because they are in front of a white full moon, and I thought maybe the white is also glow in the dark, so it was not, but I thought maybe it's glow in the dark and that would be a cool effect. I came in with that pumpkin here. Of course, I took it off the plastic, out of shot, so I cannot show this, but I think I have some of the leaves to show. Not this one, apparently, but maybe some others. So you have to go slow with these stickers, take your time and not pull too hard, because it's really easy to destroy them during the pickup moment. But yeah, if you go slow and with a bit of a feeling. Here, see, I took the leaf off the foil like a pro. No, of course not. That took a lot of practice already. Maybe I should do a video at some point with all my fails and my bloopers. I mean, once I build up more of a fan base, maybe. See here, I'm coming in, getting the moon with the bats, and of course I destroyed a little bit of the moon. I was so angry with myself again. But still, I pat down the full moon with the bats. I like the design, and in a moment you will see because you can still move the motif a little bit around on the nail as long as it's not completely dried up. So I just even out the little nick there in the full moon that I caused, and then you can hardly see anything anymore. I think that's all right so far. Proceeding with the white nail again, so I did it and decided for more candy, and as you can see, the candy pieces are so tiny, and yeah, I managed to get more of them here and there, but yeah, I was thinking while I was doing this, why am I doing this to myself? These candy pieces are so tiny. But yeah, I'm also a fan of these more intricate nails. So if you want intricate, you have to work for it. Here, a lollipop, a bit more candy. Pat it down, and this is where we are. And because I had some gaps in the nail between the stickers, I'm coming in with a very fine dotting tool of mine, and I was just adding some dots in between the gaps. Dots make everything better, and especially if you add them in these groups of 3. Don't know why that is. All I can say is it helps immensely. It brings movement onto the nail. It creates a certain playfulness, and I was adding a dot just on the diamond shape where I was missing a corner. I'm such a fox. And while that cures under my lamp for 60 seconds, I do exactly the same on the black nail, only with the white gel paint. Dots make everything better, especially when you have to balance out a nail with some motifs. Here I'm evening out the moon as well, and in the result you will not be able to see it. Or if you look at your nails from a distance, you will not be able to see the tiny irregularities that might be there. So that's the black nail. And for the purple nail, I decided to use all the ghosts. So I took all the ghosts from 2 different sticker foils. And for once, I'm in shot with the little ghost. So did you see how careful I was getting it off the paper? Going around the ghost, trying to pick it up and not to rip it too much. There's another. And at this point, I think I had quite a good feeling with my tweezers, so do not worry, you just have to try. At the beginning, yes, you will destroy one or two of the motifs, so maybe you should start with something on the foil that you do not like that much, just to get a feeling for the pickup. But here at this point, with the tiny ghosts, I'm quite proud of myself already. Yeah, this one was really sticking to my tweezers and didn't want to go on there, but I managed, and now I'm patting it down, and as I was saying, you are still able to move the stickers around a bit. So there you go. Put that on the tip of my nail, pat pat, and it's there. And now I'm using these tiny ghosts from the other foil, drop them into my water, and while the silicone gets soft to be applied, I'm already adding my dots here and there. I already know where I want to place the other two ghosts, and I leave some space for them. But I thought, why not already proceed with the dots? And here we go. Finally, I'm in shot, so very carefully I go around the outlines of the little ghosty. And once I have a good grip on the silicone, carefully take the ghost off, like so. And put it on the nail. Next ghost, apply it. And then I came in with some dark purple dots, and I applied those in groups of 2, made them look more like more dark ghost eyes staring at you. Filled in the gaps here and there. And this is already the entire design. So guys, water decals or nail stickers, so cool to work with, especially if you have no practice whatsoever to with your nail painting. You just apply the stickers, cure everything under your lamp, then I come in with the last layer of top coat. I was showing you there in the picture for a moment. And then I cure that top coat layer for 60 seconds under my lamp, and there you go. That's the entire design. So quick and easy. I'm not saying you do not need any practice, but it is a lot easier than learning the entire gel painting process. So I just recommend that to you. Which one of the nails is your favorite? I show you all the nails side by side in a moment. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. I'm always happy to read your comments. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye and happy Halloween!